Okay, so the count if is pretty cool, but it's not really that useful because it only delivers that one element to it. What's even better, and I'm just going to delete all of these, is the count ifs. Count ifs, okay? Now, what that does is it gives you different criteria that you can put in. So for example, we could say, let's take this as our range again, all right, and comma. So we want to count it if it is, let's see, less than 100, but greater than or equal to 90. Greater than or equal to 90. This should give us the number of people that would have an A for term 1. Whoop, too few arguments. What did I do wrong here? Oh, wait, a comma. Oh, wait, I have to put the range in again. Sorry about that. So I'm going to redo the range. There we go. Okay. All right. Criteria range. And what did I do wrong this time? Table 3. Oh, wait. Range criteria. Let's see what a space in. Oh, no comma. Yeah, a lot of this is just kind of doing detective work. There we go. Okay, so there's 0 people who have an A, which makes sense because nobody has that 90. Then we can take this, drag it down. Still 0, yes, but we could change this less than equal to 89 and greater than or equal to 80. Nope, not 800, 80. Enter. All right, so there's 3 people in the 80s. So we see Patricia, Philip, and Nicole Adams have it. And we could just go down the line. So this would be C, D, and F. All right. So we just have to go back and just edit these real quick. This should be 79. And this should be 70. And this one should be 69. And this one should be 60. And this one would just be, we'd go back to a count if actually for this one. And we just say that it is less than 60. We could get rid of this whole thing right here. Get rid of that. Okay. All right, so this tells us how many people are failing, and we could go under here. A, B, C, D, and F. And you could get as elaborate as you want. With this, you could do the minuses, the pluses, things of that nature. Cool thing is you can just drag it right across. What did I? Oh, yeah, right. So nobody has an A in this class. That's not very encouraging. Then go across again. All right, and it gives you the breakdown for it, for each one. All right. Here we go. And there we go. All right, so it gives you a breakdown of the numbers of each. You could do the same thing over here. You could do the count if passing, count if danger, count if failing. Get the numbers for each term for the progress reports. Why don't we just do that real quick, I guess. Whoops, not plus sign, equal. And we want to do, actually this would probably just be a count, right? So a count if, not a count ifs. Count if, throw that in there. The range is going to be right here, okay? Comma, and we're going to go equal to, whoops, parentheses, equal to passing. Do we need the equal sign? I don't know if we do. Let's see what happens here. Now that I'm typing it, I'm not sure. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, even better. So we don't need the equal sign, right? We can go across the number of people who are in passive, danger, and failing. And then over here, we could do it, same thing. Just drag it down, 1, 2, because it's easier to just change that single letter. Passing, danger, enter. No one got danger in that time, and failing, enter. Okay? And once again, we can drag it across. And, you know, it gives you that summary data. Passing, danger, failing. So it gives you that summary data that you can use to evaluate your classes.